China, the Chennai Rhinos are 46-1, and of course I have with me somebody who's got 2 or 3 names. Actually, he's known as Akash here in Chennai and Jai Akash in Telugu. So clearly you find yourself in a sticky situation.
Yeah, obviously. I'm actually very wrong. I am known as Akash in Telugu and Jai Akash in Tamil. So the problem is, like, whenever there's a match in Telugu Stars, between Telugu Stars, I'll be one of the main players. And same goes to Tamil as well. But this time what happened when this Tamil, Telugu and Kannada, I have acted in Kannada also as a hero. So the problem is, like, I cannot play, I cannot choose which team to play.
So it must be really hard, because I'm sure you're dying to go out there and play with the boys.
I love cricket. But what to do, like, this is the case. So I mean, here, all I can do is, like, just watch, and I have, like, all my friends, like, both teams. So I mean, I'll be just, like, supporting, like, and hope the best team wins. The best player will win. That's it.
What do you think about the atmosphere at the MH Chidambaram? Obviously, it's a dream come true for a lot of players out there to be playing at the stadium. It just hosted the IPL final.
It's actually great. I mean, we can see, like, a lot of crowds here, like, mixed crowds, like, mainly, I mean, because it's Chennai, a lot of Tamil people are here. So obviously Chennai Rhinos has the most support. And then, like, around, I mean, all the TV channels, everyone is watching it. And it's good. I mean, it looks like it just gives the same feel as, like, IPL. I think this CCL is going to go a long way.
Yeah, you mentioned the Celebrity Cricket League. What do you think about it? Obviously, it's just the start. Yesterday, we had the 2 matches in Bengaluru and now in Chennai. What do you think of its future?
I think, like, they can, keep going, because, like, stars, actors, always there will be, like, new actors coming. So, like, this can go on for a long time. I mean, the players who are playing now, if they get old, obviously they can give way to the new stars, new actors come. So it will go a long way. I think, I mean, as long as, because, like, in India, like, they love films and cricket. So when you mix, like, film stars with the cricket, obviously it's going to be a success.
That's right. You have hit the nail on the head. Thank you so much for talking to us.
All right, it's my pleasure. Thank you.
Enjoy the match.
थैंक यू अर्चना। 53 पे 1 अब चेन्नई राइनोज धीरे धीरे अब स्कोर बढ़ाना होगा। कुछ ऐसा दौर आया है, यहाँ पे विकेट भी गई है, स्कोरिंग का रेट थोड़ा सा थमा है, पर जबरदस्त खिलाड़ी हैं उनकी टीम में। कल अच्छा मैच जीते थे तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के लिए के खिलाफ, आज अपने होम ग्राउंड पे एक अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस देनी होगी।
अतुल, आपने कभी यहाँ पर खेला इस ग्राउंड पर? बहुत बार खेला तो होगा, लेकिन मेरा सवाल ये है, डायरेक्टली मैं पहुँच चाहता हूँ कि आपका सबसे मेमोरेबल नॉक इस स्टेडियम में कौन सा था, इस ग्राउंड?
यहाँ इस स्टेडियम में मैंने कोई इंटरनेशनल मैच नहीं खेला यहाँ पे, पर दिल्ली के लिए, नॉर्थ जोन के लिए दिल्ली ट्रॉफी, रणजी ट्रॉफी के मैचेस कहीं खेले। और एक मैच मुझे याद आता है, मुझे लगता है कि 91 या 92 की बात है, तमिलनाडु के खिलाफ क्वार्टर फाइनल्स में यहाँ पे 50 रन बनाए थे और 5 विकेट लिए थे। वो एक अच्छा यादगार है यहाँ की। पर मुझे वो भी याद है कि वो 5 दिन का मैच, बहुत ही गर्मी थी और ये पुराना स्टेडियम था जहाँ पे बिल्कुल हवा नहीं आती थी और यहाँ पे इतनी अच्छी घास भी नहीं होती थी तब, तो बहुत ही मुश्किल में, और मुझे लगता है एक मैच में कम से कम 4-5 किलो वजन कम हुआ था।
तो आपको लगता है कि अगर आज इस सिचुएशन में आप खेलते इन सर्कमस्टेंसेस में, तो यू वुड हैव स्कोर्ड मोर एंड गॉट मोर विकेट्स?
कहना बहुत मुश्किल है। बहुत अच्छी फील्डिंग, बैकअप बहुत बढ़िया इस बार कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स का। ओवर की समाप्ति 53 पे